Welcome to our tutorial on how to install VMware on Windows 11. 1. Download VMware Workstation Player. Obtain the latest version of VMware Workstation Player from the official website. 2. Launch the installer. Locate the downloaded VMware Workstation Player installer and double-click to launch it. 3. User Account Control, UAC. Prompt. If prompted by UAC, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your system. 4. Welcome screen. Click Next on the Welcome screen to begin the installation process. 5. End User License Agreement EULA. Read and accept the End User License Agreement by selecting I accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next. 6. Custom Setup Optional. Choose whether to enable VMware Workstation Player updates and VMware Customer Experience Improvement Program CIP. Click Next to continue. 7. User Experience Improvement Program Optional. Decide whether to participate in the User Experience Improvement Program and click Next. 8. Installation Folder. Choose the installation folder for VMware Workstation Player or leave it as the default. Click Next to proceed. 9. User Experience Improvement Program Optional. Decide whether to participate in the User Experience Improvement Program and click Next. 10. Ready to install. Review the installation settings and click Install to begin the installation. 11. Installation progress. Wait for the installation process to complete. 12. Installation complete. Click Finish to complete the installation. You have learned how to download VMware on Windows 11. Thank you for watching our guide.